Hi everyone, my name is Tajlia, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to create topography using Maproom in 3ds Max. So first thing you want to do is open your Maproom application. So once your Maproom application is open, you first want to go and click on Satellite and Terrain. This will open a tab in Maps and Scene. All of your different maps will show up within here if you're creating multiple maps, and a icon will appear within your viewports to let you know that it's working in 3ds Max, and your map will also appear at the base of the icon. So first you want to click on Maproom, Satellite and Terrain. Within Mapping Space, you want to find your location by name. I'm just going to stick with Melbourne and double click the location and update the space. Once it's updated, you can go Map Projection and change it. I'm not going to, I'll leave it as is. So then you want to move into Terrain 001 or whatever it's called within your system. And first what I'm going to do is change the area of my map because I don't want it quite so big. So that's just changing the size of the map within my viewport. Keep it at 10 by 10. Then I'm going to change my pixels so that it's a little more clear. Estimate zoom level, that will change my zoom to 14. Keep it, actually I'm going to change it to Bing, and my map Zen terrain on Amazon, same zoom, update map images. So once that's loaded, you can see that I've got my map, and within my side view you can see that I have got a terrain in there as well, the terrain of the profile of Melbourne. So if I continue to try to edit this, maybe I'll change from wireframe to facets. There we go, you can kind of see the terrain a bit better within the side view. I just find it easier to see in side view because obviously in a perspective or an orthographic view it's quite hard to see the terrain unless it's quite extreme. So I'll keep it in the side view. And there's a few things that you can go and change. You can obviously change the map size if you're looking for a specific area that you want to focus on. You can change the pixels so that it's a bit more detailed rather than kind of muddy like this is looking. You can also try out the different terrains. I'm going to try the map box. Ooh. Here you go. So you need an API key for Mapbox, which is all right. You can just continue using that one. So once you've got your terrain, you're pretty much done. With your terrain, you can also have it in any of the views. So I can change it so that my terrain is sitting on the OSM map. Here you can kind of see a little bit better some of the bumps within the map. But it's all depending on preference in that case. And again, it's easier to see in the side view of the extent of terrain. But it works on all of the maps. If you've got an API for Mapbox, then it will work on those as well. But being with the satellite view is probably the easiest way to visualize the terrain, just because it's a more natural or realistic view rather than a drawing map. So once you've got your terrain, you're pretty much done. You can do with this whatever you want. Thanks for watching.